Here's how to create vintage engraved art in Adobe Illustrator the faster and efficient way. Artifacts Forge's Master Engraver vector brushes provide a complete brush system which not only cuts the time it takes to make engraved art, but also improves the workflow too. Here's how it works. The brushes save time by adding multiple engraving lines with a single brush stroke. The pack features a variety of liners from solid to dashed outlines, and custom shaders for adding tone quickly, featuring a range of ink weights from heavy to light. Pressure sensitive brushes are included for graphics tablet users too. Every brush has been built with performance in mind. They work by repeating seamless tiles along the stroke, and so they can be used for a range of stroke lengths, from short to long without ever overstretching. So you'll need to swap brushes less often. The shading in this design was created with just 12 brush strokes. So imagine how much time you could save with the Master Engraver as part of your Illustrator toolkit. Try this fast and efficient way of creating vintage engravings in Adobe Illustrator by following the link to get the pack now. And save 20% with offer code NGRV. The code is also valid for the Affinity version of the pack. And don't forget to follow our channel for more Illustrator tips and resources.